let's get some food on it. Wait. You know what? Here. Here. You can feed yourself. It's coming. Here. Take it. Good job, big girl. Is that big girl feeding herself? All right, come here. Let's put some food on it. Here. Oh, you're getting so big. Okay, let's get some food on there. Hold on. Let go. Let me see it. Come here, here. Here. Take it. Do it yourself. Good job, big girl. Good job. You're such a big girl now. Yes, you are. Come here, let Mama get some more food on it. Let Mama put food on it. Here. Okay, hang on. Ready? Here you go. Take it. Take it. Oh, big girl. Oh, you're so big. You're so big. Oh. You're so big. Yes, you are. You are. Let me get you some food. Come here. Okay, here. Here. Let Mama put some food on it. Okay. Are you feeding yourself? You're getting too big. What's Mama gonna do now? Say, oh yeah, maybe she can eat hot food again. No, we don't want that. Let's get some more food. Here you go. It's coming. Take it. Want your spoon? You gonna feed yourself? I sure am. Oh. Yeah. Hi, sweet pie. Who's that big good girl? Let's get you some more food. Come here. Come on, let the death grip go. There you go. Here we go. Want some more? Here? Feed it yourself. Look at all that food on your chin. Here, silly. Take it. Good job. Look at all that food on you. You're so cute. Let me see. Let me get you some more. Here. Take it. No, you give it. You're getting too big. Yes. Say hi, Granny. Hi, Peggy. Hi, Granny Joan. Say hi. Excuse me. Say hi, David. Hi, everybody. I miss you. Do you like my pretty earrings? Yeah. Let's get you some more food. Come here. Here. Okay, here. Take it. You're covered. Take it. Oh. Oh. You're so big now. And you've obviously lost interest in the camera. Say bye. We love you.